Ever seen two bison crash into each other like tanks? You won't believe why they do it. Imagine you weighing 900 kilos, then charging headfirst into someone just as heavy. Sounds insane, right? But bison have to fight like this to prove who's boss during mating season. They don't just bump, they slam heads at 50 km each. And get this, their skulls are built like shock absorbers, so they don't pass out, but some still suffer brain trauma. Yeah, nature's not always fair. Here's the wild part. Even after all that, the winner might not get the female because she chooses in the end. Rewind that. Did you catch the part about brain damage?